Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to what is going to be such a fun little day here. So I decided with Valentine's Day coming up that it would be fun to show myself a little self-love and take myself out on a solo date. Actually, I've been meaning to do this for a while and realized Valentine's Day is definitely the perfect time to do that. I want to look good for myself, I want to look cute, you know, so I decided to do some makeup. It's also Friday here, and I believe Friday for you too, so happy weekend. I hope this inspires you to maybe treat yourself to a little something over this weekend. That would be really fun.
You get the issue?
Singing some Olivia.
Playing in my head rent-free, girl.
Just getting some makeup on.
No.
Let's see who can take me on a better date, me or Connor.
Ooh.
We're gonna find out.
Challenge accepted.
I don't know, I have a pretty good day planned for myself. But I guess your dates will always be better because I don't have to pay on your dates. So, in fairness, you do have a leg up there.
That's it. That's the only reason.
Hey, Molly. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
No reaction. She's used to this shit by now.
Yeah, I love it.
This Ilia palette that I bought, ow, that just closed on my finger. Ew. Anyway, I love it so much, you guys. I think it's so pretty. I love how glowy it is. I love how easily the eye look comes together. It's just everything. I need to play around with it a little bit more because I just do the same thing every day, but that's just me. I do not switch up my makeup every day. I do one makeup look every day for like 6 months and then I switch it up. Whoa. That's the makeup complete other than lips, which, whoa, why did it get so dark all of a sudden? I will do in just a second, but I want to go get dressed first. I want to look, you know, good for me, so I gotta go see what I can scrounge up. Going with one of my classic fits, plus a pair of Converse, so that will happen. And then lippies, here's what we're doing. This is the Revlon Longwear Lip Liner in Nude, I think it's just called. Yeah, just Nude. And then my favorite lip gloss, the Tower 28 in Pistachio. Love this stuff, as you guys know. And there you go. We are ready to head out. Okay, bye, Connor. Bye, Molly Cat. No, you're not going outside right now. Sorry. Bye, Molly. Let's hit the road, shall we? So our first stop is going to be to a coffee shop that I've never been to before. I thought it would be fun to try something new, called Bluey's. Probably made a mistake in leaving as late as I did because it's 12:15 right now. Oh my God. Oh yes, that's the running guy who we love in our neighborhood. So it might be really busy there. We're gonna see how this goes, but let's head out, shall we? Okay, just parked and I think I found free parking. It's honestly making me nervous that it's free. So maybe it's private. I don't know if maybe I should go look for another spot because it seems too lucky to have found free parking, but there's no signs that say like no parking. Literally it says head in parking only and then 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. on Monday, no parking. So I don't know, it seems solid. I think we're gonna go for it. No tickets here. No tickets here today, you guys. We made it. I'm just gonna do a matcha latte sweetened, please.
Sounds good. Iced or hot today?
Hot, please.
Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you, you too. Alrighty, we are at Bluey's and I got myself a little matcha latte here. Actually, I should take a photo of it before we try it. Phone eats first, for once, because that never happens for me. We got the shot. It looks so cute. Perfect little green color. I love this little mug. It's adorable. So, cheers, you guys. Happy solo date day. Oh my God, that is so good. Brought my Kindle, so I really just plan to sit here and enjoy my matcha and read a couple chapters of my book, and then we're going to go off to lunch. I'm not going to stay too long just in case that parking situation is wrong. very successful first stop on our solo date day. That place was so cute. My matcha was delicious. Definitely want to come back there again. The food looked really good too, but I have other plans for myself for lunch, so we are off. And look at that, no ticket. It is a truly beautiful thing. Also, what is this hair doing on my head? Oh well. So, it is definitely lunchtime now. It's 1:15. Yes, it is, almost 1:20. And I am in the mood for sushi, which I know is shocking, but I just figure if I'm taking myself out on a date, I obviously have to get myself sushi because I would want to treat myself to my personal favorite meal. Touching up my lips quickly so that I can look good for me. Gotta keep up appearances. Love it. And I think we're gonna go to Nonstop Sushi for lunch. I've never eaten there in person, but I have ordered from there. It's affordable, it's delicious, and there is also free parking there. So love this for us. Let's hit the road. My car always auto plays that song. Let's go. I'm so excited, I'm having so much fun, you guys. Alrighty, we have arrived at our sushi lunch. Just placed my order. I will show you everything when it comes, but pretty excited about this for myself. And I have a fair amount of time to kill here. After this, we're gonna go and get my nails done because they desperately need it. So I'm unsure what I'm gonna do with them yet either. So I also need to look on Pinterest for some inspo. But once we finish lunch, we'll either chill here or I'm also thinking maybe we could like look around, do a little bit of, you know, just window shopping. That sounds nice. Maybe treat myself to a little something. First things up, we have some miso soup and some salmon sushi. Go ahead. Thank you. Some salmon sushi over here. I'm so awkward. And then also just got a spicy, what did I decide? Yellowtail roll, I believe. Looks so good. Let's try all of our sushi, shall we? Actually, I'm going to start with just the miso soup, in fairness, because I wanted to stay nice and warm. And it definitely is. It is a steaming.
I mean, it's like, it's very spicy.
That was really good. Delicious. And back to my reading while we eat. My book is getting so crazy, I'm loving it though. Okay, should we try this? Let's try the salmon sushi. I can squeeze the lemon in there. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Also, don't judge me for biting these in half. I know it's not the right way to eat them, but I just like to make them last a little longer. Okay, let's try the spicy yellowtail. This is so good. Loving it. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. They gave me something on the house. So nice. I do not know what it is, but I don't care because I eat it all. So I'm excited to try this. Oh my god, that is delicious. Delicious. All that food was so delicious. It is now 2:10, but I only have about a half hour left in my book, so I'm thinking I'm gonna finish my book because we'll still have time to go do a little bit of shopping before my nails, even with spending another 30 minutes here. So I felt bad sitting here with like nothing on my table, so I decided to get a little green tea, which will be delicious. Really cold anyway, so this will warm me right up. And we're gonna finish off this book, which I'm really excited about. Of course, filming everything for my February reading vlog, which will be up first thing in March. But this is The Locked Door by Frida McFadden, so I'm really enjoying it. Ah, it's so nice and warm in my car. It feels amazing. Okay, here's the plan. So it's currently like 2:50. Our nail appointment is at 3:30. So since my camera battery is dying, I don't think I said that yet, but my camera battery is dying, we're gonna drop the car at home, grab a fresh battery, and then we'll walk over to Main Street, window shop a little bit, pending timing, and then go and get our nails done. I was kind of debating what I wanted to do with my nails, if I just wanted to do something neutral again, because that's kind of my favorite, or if I wanted to do something kind of fun for Valentine's Day, and I think I am, only because I'm gonna get my nails redone before my birthday, which at this point is less than a month away. this timing really kind of threw me, but it is what it is. So I feel like I can go a little bolder with the nails since I know that I'll redo them again really soon. So this is the inspo that I'm using, I think. Little red tips. I just think that'll be kind of fun and spicy for Valentine's Day. All right, let's head home. We've made the swap with the camera battery. What time is it? It is almost 3 o'clock on the dot, so we have a half hour until the nails. So I think we should walk to Main Street, and I know there's a Free People there, so maybe just poke around inside of there, see what we see. Just for fun. I don't really expect to get anything, but maybe there'll be something that I'm into. We'll see. I'm having such a nice day by myself though, you guys. I can't even tell you. I'm kind of loving it. It is such a beautiful day today. I am loving it. Should we see? I think Connor might be working right here. Should we stop in and say hi quick? Hello. Thought I might find you here. I had a feeling he might be sitting at the bar in there. Stopped in, said hello quick, and now back to Free People mode. All right, let's see what we can find. These shirts are so cute. I love them. I need a new white kind of button down potential. These little tanks look super comfy for just hanging around the house. In this little color, it's cute. Got a couple little things to try on, so let's do it. Okay, this is so cute, and I feel like it would be really good for lounging around the house, working out, or even to style to wear out. I might get it in the all white though, because I'm not sure that I'm loving like the 2 different colors here. TBD, if we even get it at all. Okay, I don't like this as much as I thought I would, which is probably a good thing. It's the most expensive thing that I picked up. I just don't love the fit of it, and I still have yet to figure out how to look cool in like 2 oversized things at the same time. I feel like it just doesn't work on me. I don't know, maybe because I'm short. Oh my god, this is literally the softest thing ever. Like, it would be such a mistake to not get this, I think. Oh my god, I love it.
Want this wrapped up in tissue or just in a little bag?
Just in a bag is fine. Thank you very much.
You are all set.
Awesome, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Yeah, love that. And I still have a little bit of money left on just like a Visa gift card that I had. So free, we love. And now we're gonna be late for our nail appointment, so we need to hurry up and get there. Alrighty, we are officially saying goodbye to these babies and heading in to get our nails done. Hello. Success, you guys. I will give you guys a closer look at my nails. Honestly, this is my bad, but the tips look a little bit more orange than red, I think. The woman warned me that it probably would, but I still felt compelled to get this color, and she was right. It's more orange than red. But I still really like them. They're kind of fun. They're different. I definitely think it's the kind of nail that I would get sick of pretty quickly. But as I said, that is exactly why I decided that I was going to get them this time, because I'll get my nails redone probably in, like, as I said, less than 4 weeks before my birthday. So yeah. I don't mind, and the lady did a really good job. I really like her, so I want to go back to her for sure. Let me give you a closer look at the nails though. Here's the vibe. They look really pretty. Like, I really dig them. I think they're gonna look good once I get a tan on my body as well, which I'm gonna do definitely soon, because I haven't self-tanned in so long and I'm very pasty. But I like them. I think they're pretty. And now I'm off for my final activity of the day, which is to go get a little happy hour drink. It is 4:30 now, so I'm just in the mood for maybe a little wine, a little appy. And that's gonna be the end of our little solo date day. It's been so fun though, you guys. I've been loving it. This is seriously one of my favorite spots on Main Street. We are unfortunately back on the phone, you guys, because believe it or not, my camera battery died again. Literally right at the end of me taking that last clip. Dead. We've been vlogging a lot today. But that's okay, because as I said, this is our last stop, so I just got myself a glass of Cabernet here. Very good. And I also ordered the cauliflower, the buffalo cauliflower, because it's amazing here. Some of the best I've ever had. And the buffalo cauliflower arrived. It looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is crazy delicious, and this is the perfect little size for one, so I love it. Let's do a little taste test, shall we? Get my fork out. Literally some of the best buffalo cauliflower I've ever had. It's so good. Oh, it's got a good kick to it too. I love it. Well, everyone, I just got home. Connor and Molly Cat have been here holding down the fort, playing games. Molly is very hyper right now. And this is the end of our solo date day. It honestly was so fun. Like, I feel like I should spend more time with just me. Like, I'm kind of cool and fun. Oh my god, I had so much fun with me. I told Connor. Yeah,
should do it.
I totally agree. Like, if you're not comfortable just being alone by yourself, I think that you should push yourself out of your comfort zone and be by yourself a little bit more. There goes Connor throwing the toy for Molly. No, but seriously, I told Connor that just getting a little one-on-one time with me, myself, and I was very nice. Just kind of doing my own thing, doing whatever I want when I want to do it. So
Do your thing, girl.
it was very nice little self-love moment today. Oh, let me show you guys what I got for free, people, before I wrap up this vlog.
It's not for free, people.
Connor was like, wait, you got this stuff for free? I was like, no.
And she's like, when do I get stuff for free? I'm like, all the time.
No, I said, why would I have gotten this for free? Hi, Molly girl. Sorry, I'm entering your play space for a moment. Do you want to say hi to the people? Me, my baby. She's like, please, I'm in hunting mode. Good girl. You go hunt.
Oh, bye-bye.
Okay, so you guys saw both of these things already. I ended up getting that tank, but in white, like I said, because I was not liking the brown and white. So very into this. Just a simple white tank is gonna get so much wear from me that, like, this is amazing. It was $20. So soft, so cute, so love it. I did forget to check this and I am kind of disappointed. It's not double lined, so you have to wear a bra with it, I think, because I think it'll be slightly see-through, but I'll have to try it on because I had only tried on the brown one, which obviously, like, you wouldn't need it. So we'll see. And then the other thing I got was this gray long sleeve that we tried on, and it is so soft. It's so comfortable. And I just thought that both of these things were really versatile, where comfy clothes that I'll wear around the house a lot, but also can definitely style both of these things for going out. So love it. I'll try to remember to link both of these things down below, assuming that I can find them online. And really, that's it. I think I'm going to wrap up this vlog here now that I'm home and our solo date is over. But I hope this inspired you to maybe take yourself out for a little Valentine's Day treat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Come here, my lovey. Oh, yeah. Say goodbye to the people. Goodbye.